Hello everyone, welcome to AppStore Radar. Today, I'm going to review this app called Tasty. So at some point in our life, we are all tempted to channel our inner chef after seeing cooking videos in YouTube or Instagram. As a solution, the Tasty app tries to teach us how to cook step by step everything from cinnamon roll, French toast to stuffed meatballs. Stepping into the app, we can choose what we want to cook for our next meal. Ingredients are clearly labeled and explained in each recipe, and the app shows us step-by-step videos of how to cook it. If you would like to save your favorite recipe for later, make sure to log in my recipes section. I hope you download this app and find it useful. So till next time, take care.